Well, that didn't take me too long. I did this section right in there. So you can tell where my gaps are. But the key is just putting that sand down there and leveling off the bottom. Once you get the bottom pretty much level to where you want it, most of the bricks go back in, and then if there's any high bricks a little bit, I just took my 2x4 and set on top of a brick, pounded it down, tapped it down a little bit, and seemed to work out pretty good. There was a couple that were a little high, so I have to take them out and kind of take some of the sand out, but you shouldn't have to do it in any individual, every single individual brick. So before I put that one in, I'm going to pull out the next ones, because I see this area is kind of depressed right in there, so I'm going to have to take those out next. And let's just see. They're kind of, you saw how they were wedged in. So you just have to kind of work at it a little bit. Oh, where's my screwdriver at? Oh, here it is. Usually have a crummy screwdriver to work with. I need to take this section out here, and I didn't want to take out too much of it before I did one little area, because I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing and such. And all these bricks are the same. There's no color to them, no different colors and stuff. You just kind of have to, kind of be aware, because it was kind of like, once you pull them out, you think, how hard could it be to put the pieces back in the same way? But you have to kind of look. And I noticed along here, there's a brick that's cut like a half of a brick periodically, and I got to be kind of aware of that. Make sure I put them back in the same way. Like I say, the same way I took them out. You can see all along here, I can see where there's some ants. Oh man, this is low, and look at that. See that right there? That's a big, huge root. I'm gonna have to kind of dig that out. See there? Big root right there. That's okay. I can chop that out. That lifted that up, and I don't have to take it. I don't have to take it too far once I cut it off. Okay, this area here is still low. Here. See, here's a square block. Make sure I'm just going to take out to there. See, now I can pry between them because of that little ridge. It's not like, I thought they were all going to be super tight together, and they're still snug, but see, I should be able to get them out of there now. Yeah, I should take this one out and these right here, I guess. Just work at them, they'll come. They'll come out. Okay. Here's another half block. And maybe I'll take this one out too. That way I can be easier to level this area off after I put some more sand in here. But like I said, before I do that, I've got to get this root. See that? Yeah. There it goes. Look at that. Right through there. And it goes down. So I would say it's okay if I chop it off there, not pull out the rest. I'm not gonna make this any bigger than I have to, right? I shouldn't have to, because now that I chop this part off, it shouldn't be growing anymore down there. Look at that. That's from that bush right there. I might want to get it just a little more here. That's all I'm going to do. That root. Before I mess with it too much, let's spray for the ants. Let's spray for the ants first. Bits out of here. .95% compaction sand is. I'm just going to tap it down where that root was. And I didn't even really need this rubber mallet. I thought I was going to beat on top of them, but because I have the 2x4, it works out really good with the regular hammer. If I want to beat on these later, I can. Sand in there. I might have to add some over there, but we'll see. kind of see where it's low. Okay. Remember, it kind of dive bombed down here in the corner. Okay. That looks pretty good. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.